top websites to watch anime for free. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 websites for watching anime online for free legally. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Check the description. I'll have links to all of these websites down there. But the first website we're going to be using to watch free legal anime is going to be actually Amazon.com. They have a free streaming service called Freevee. You can easily access it by first going to Amazon.com. Then in the left sidebar here, select all, and then go down to Prime Video. From here, just go to Prime Video. Once we get to Prime Video, go to the right, you'll see your profile icon. Select this icon with 9 little dots in it, and then all you need to do is go down under genres and select anime. We can then see all the anime available on Amazon, but if we want to see free anime, scroll down and you'll see Freevee, and they have anime movies and anime TV shows where you can watch any of these completely for free. The next website I recommend using to watch anime for free is going to be Crunchyroll, and that's going to be just crunchyroll.com, and again, I'll have that in the description. And Crunchyroll does have a premium version without ads, but you can watch their content using a free version that is ad supported. And everything on here is anime, so all you need to do is either go to browse or you can scroll down, find whatever you want to watch, and you can start watching it for free. Now, the last website I recommend using for free legal anime online is going to be Tubi. So we can get there by going to tubitv.com and check the description. Again, I'll have a link down there. Once you get to tubitv.com, go up to browse. Then in the menu here, go to genres and then go to anime. You'll then see all the ad-supported anime that's available for free on tubitv.com. All right, so those were the top websites for free anime. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.